In this video, we'll walk you through setting up and using your Accu Chek Guide blood glucose meter. Now, if you're worried about learning the steps involved, don't be. This video is divided into small sections, so if you miss anything, you can always go back and watch that part again. Now, the first thing to do is to make sure that you have everything you need to start testing. You should have the following items: an Accu Chek Guide meter, a container of Accu Chek Guide test strips, an Accu Chek Soft Clicks lancing device, and an Accu Chek Soft Clicks lancet. If you can't find something, or if you need assistance with any of the steps that follow, just contact Accu Chek customer service. Next, let's walk through setting up and using the Accu Chek Soft Clicks lancing device. First, you will need to load your lancing device. For this, you will need an Accu Chek Soft Clicks lancet. Remove the cap from the lancing device. Now, insert the lancet into the lancet holder as shown. Push it all the way in until it clicks in place. Twist and remove the protective cap from the lancet to expose the needle. Place the cap back on your lancing device. Be sure to align the notch on the cap with the mark as shown. The next step is to set the penetration depth to match your individual skin type. By turning the dial on the cap, you can select the depth of the lancet. Set the dial to 2 to begin with. You may need to adjust the setting a couple of times until you find the right level for your skin type. To use the lancing device, you first need to prime it. Press the priming button all the way down. The release button on the side of the lancing device has now turned yellow. This indicates that your lancing device is now primed and ready to use. Press the yellow button to release the lancet. This will lance your finger. This part is important. Accu Chek Soft Click lancets are disposable and should only be used one time. A reused lancet is no longer sterile, will lose its sharpness, and become more painful each time you lance your finger. When disposing of a lancet, always make sure that it cannot cause injury, and always use a sharps container. To dispose of the lancet, remove the cap from the lancing device. To remove the used lancet, point the lancing device into the sharps container and eject the lancet by sliding the ejector forward as shown. Then, put the cap back on the lancing device. Now you're ready to do a test. First, you'll need to choose a finger to take a sample from. It's best to alternate between fingers as they can become sensitive over time. Remember to always wash your hands with warm, soapy water and dry them thoroughly. Take a test strip from the spill-resistant test strip vial, and always remember to close the lid tightly. This helps protect the remaining strips. Insert a fresh test strip, metallic end first, into the meter, and the meter will turn on. Notice that the test strip port light allows for easier use in darker environments. Now it's time to use the lancing device. Place the pinhole opening firmly against your finger and press the yellow release button. This will lance your finger. Massage the finger in the direction of the fingertip to help the blood drop form. Touch the yellow edge of the test strip to the blood drop. When enough blood has filled the strip, Analyzing appears on the display. Remove your finger from the strip. A small hourglass symbol will rotate on the screen to show you that the meter is working. Your blood sugar reading will be ready in less than 4 seconds. It's just that easy, and now you have your test result. The meter automatically displays your previous result too, so you can compare blood glucose levels. This feature may be turned on in the settings menu. One important final step. Dispose of the used test strip by pressing the strip ejector button on the right side of the Accu Chek Guide meter. Then put everything in the carry case. You'll find more information in the user's manual that came with your meter. If you still have questions, please visit accuchek.com. Thanks again for choosing the Accu Chek Guide Blood Glucose Monitoring System.